Agriculture in ancient India was more than just a means of food production, it was a sacred practice deeply rooted in the philosophy of sustainability, ecological balance, and respect for nature. Unlike modern industrial farming, which often prioritizes short-term yield over long-term sustainability, traditional Indian agricultural practices were designed to maintain soil fertility, conserve water, and support biodiversity for generations. As we face modern challenges like climate change, soil degradation, and water scarcity, revisiting these time-tested methods offers valuable insights for a more sustainable future. This episode, part of our initiative to explore the Indian Knowledge System for Educational Outreach by Physical Sciences Consultorium, explores the science and wisdom behind India's ancient agricultural practices and their relevance in addressing today's environmental crises. The foundation of traditional Indian agriculture was based on the principle of harmony with nature. The Vedas, particularly Rigveda, and Atharva Veda, and Krishi Parsha provide detailed knowledge of soil health, seasonal farming, and ecological balance. Farming was seen as a duty, dharma, where the land was treated as a living entity that needed to be nurtured rather than exploited. This holistic approach ensured that agricultural activities did not deplete natural resources but instead enhanced the fertility of the land through organic and sustainable practices. One of the key aspects of ancient Indian farming was soil and crop management. Farmers practiced crop rotation and mixed cropping, growing complementary plants together to naturally enrich the soil and prevent pest infestations. Pulses were often grown alongside cereals to fix nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for artificial fertilizers. Instead of chemical inputs, they used Panchagavya, a natural bioenhancer made from cow products, along with compost and green manure to improve soil fertility. These techniques not only maintained productivity but also supported long-term agricultural sustainability, a principle now being rediscovered in modern organic and regenerative farming movements. Water conservation was another critical aspect of ancient Indian agriculture. Advanced rainwater harvesting techniques, such as step wells, tanks, and percolation ponds, ensured year-round water availability even in arid regions. Farmers constructed check dams and practiced contour plowing to prevent soil erosion and improve groundwater recharge. The famous Gool irrigation system in Ladakh and Sangam tunnels in Kerala are examples of ingenious water management practices that still function today. These methods, designed to harness and store water efficiently, are highly relevant in modern times when water scarcity threatens global food security. Ancient Indian farmers also understood the importance of agroforestry and biodiversity. They integrated trees, crops, and livestock into a single ecosystem, fostering mutual benefits. Sacred groves were preserved to maintain ecological balance, and forests were managed in a way that provided both agricultural and medicinal benefits. Cows and bulls were considered essential partners in farming, not only for plowing but also for their contribution to natural fertilizers. This integrated approach aligns with contemporary agroecology principles, which emphasize biodiversity, natural soil enhancement, and ecosystem-based farming. Scientific research today is validating many of these traditional practices. Studies show that organic and natural farming methods rooted in ancient Indian wisdom can enhance soil health, improve crop resilience, and reduce dependence on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. The principles of zero-budget natural farming, ZBNF, promoted by modern Indian agricultural movements are heavily inspired by ancient techniques. Case studies from across India demonstrate how reviving traditional water management and mixed cropping systems can significantly boost agricultural productivity while protecting the environment. As we move forward in addressing the challenges of modern agriculture, it is essential to recognize that sustainability is not a new concept, it has always been an integral part of Indian farming traditions. By integrating the best of ancient wisdom with modern scientific advancements, we can develop farming systems that are not only productive but also resilient to climate change and ecological disruptions. This episode invites viewers to reflect on the value of traditional knowledge and explore ways to support sustainable farming initiatives in their own communities. Let us work together to bring back the wisdom of our ancestors and create a future where agriculture thrives in harmony with nature. Thank you for watching.